Good morning, everybody. We can start now. Thank you for joining us at our second webinar today on applying digital intelligent assistant for on-the-job training of line operators of liquid production in Diversey. This webinar series is organized by COALA project funded by the European Commission and is designing and developing a cutting-edge digital intelligent assistant for the manufacturing sector. Today, in the first part of the morning, we are going to have a presentation about the COALA project in a nutshell and the cognitive advisor services. This initial section will be presented by Chaofan Wang. Chaofan Wang is a postdoctoral researcher at the Sustainable Design Environment Department at IDE in TU Delphi. His research interest is located in the field of human-computer interaction, ubiquitous computing, and medical informatics. He is currently working on deploying conversational agents in industrial settings. After that, we are going to have a second part, which will cover the AI-assisted on-the-job training for production line operators, focusing in particular on diverse use cases and covering experiences, challenges, and expectations. This second section will be presented by Barnabas Kiss. Barnabas Kiss is a Director of Operational Excellence EMEA and APAC at Diversey. He has more than 10 years experience in manufacturing, logistics, and has expertise in program and project life cycles delivering business value to stakeholders. He has a master's degree in mechanical and industrial product design engineering. For the last part of the presentation, we'll go back to Chaofan Wang to present the digital intelligent assistant for on-the-job training in liquid production line. After this, we are going to have a Q&A session where we will collect all your questions and answer to as many of them as possible. For this particular activity, you have on your right the possibility to insert a question, and we will collect them. If they are too many or needs too in-depth answer, we can then give you feedback by email. This session is being recorded, so there will be available the recording of this webinar both online and on the COALA YouTube channel. And after this, we will have the possibility to discover more interesting activities that we are covering as a consortium and how to stay in touch with the project. Given that I think that most of the participants have arrived, I will now give the floor to Chaofan Wang to start presenting the COALA project.